have to answer any questions.
Okay.
Just know that you're not under arrest.
I know I'm not under arrest.
A passenger who never drove, never crashed, and was never accused of a crime was pressed for his full legal name. During a routine traffic accident investigation, stop and identify laws only apply when reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime exists. Under the 4th Amendment, and the officer on scene admits, in his own words, that no such suspicion ever existed. What follows is a real-time legal standoff between an off-duty attorney and two officers, and only one side understood exactly where the line was drawn.
Let's say you were on this road right here. Approximately where were you?
Right where that car comes.
So like right where that car is?
Up around there, and I was moving right about now.
Okay, so where's the damage on your car?
I don't know.
You don't have any? Okay. All right. Hold on, I'll take a look at your car. Just give me a second.
What's new damage on this car versus the old damage?
It's all old age.
All of it.
All right, and this is your driver's license?
Where's your car damage, sir? Is this your car?
He was a passenger in this.
Yeah.
All right. And then do you have an ID or driver's license with you?
I didn't do anything
No,
wrong.
I understand it, but you're the passenger.
I'll give you my name.
Yeah, just in case of anything.
My name's
happens
John.
At a later date. Oh, give me 1 second.
Oh, okay, because you asked.
Yeah. All right. Oh, thank you. Be careful, okay?
Good, how are you?
Do you have another Uber coming?
No.
Oh, okay. I just
Yeah,
you're in a hurry to.
No, I'm just gonna hang out and wait for him to finish.
Okay, sounds good. And is this still your current address?
Yes.
Okay. What's your phone number? 721-7524. Okay. All right. Hang tight right here, okay?
Sure.
Do you have insurance?
Yes.
Okay. Where's it at? Oh, that's okay. You can look for it, and I'll come back and get it. Okay.
He didn't hit her.
What's that?
He didn't hit her. I was leaning forward, and I said, "Whoa!" And he swerved to the side.
And then I'll come back.
Didn't hear any scrape, nothing. I heard nothing. So, just so you know.
I'll take your info.
My name's John.
John.
Yeah.
And what's your last name?
Do I have to give my full name for? I mean, I haven't done anything. This is between these two.
No, you're. Still
But that doesn't. I'm not.
because
I
you're a
mean,
passenger.
I'm just getting an Uber ride from it. I mean, I have nothing. I'm not.
I understand what you're saying.
Well, I could give you my name and my statement. I mean, I don't think I have the idea if I'm suspected of committing a crime. Correct.
But here's the thing. Hold on. We're not suspecting you of doing anything wrong. We understand that you're the passenger, but you're also involved because you were inside a vehicle that was involved in an accident.
Yeah, but I didn't see anything. I didn't hear him hit anything. Nothing. I'm not going to be making any statements. I'm not party to this at all.
I'm not saying you are. This is for future, like in case you come up with an injury later. This isn't.
Well, I'm not going to have an injury later. I don't. That's not. I have nothing. Again, I'm not involved in this in any way, shape, or form. I'll tell you anything that I've done, but
Your name, that's it. We need to put in there.
Yeah, John.
John what though?
You can put me as a good citizen. I'm not. I mean, come on. Like, I haven't done anything.
Here's the thing that you're missing. We're not saying you did anything. We're not saying that you're going to be contacted. We're not saying anything like that. This is to cover everybody.
Well,
because he has to report it. He's Ubering, so he has to report this as well.
Well, here's the thing. I have the right to remain silent.
If you're not under arrest.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I have the right to not.
Fifth Amendment problems here.
So
it's not even that. I don't want to talk to anybody. I don't want to talk. I don't want to answer any more questions.
Okay.
I don't answer any more questions. That's all.
Okay, you don't have to answer any questions.
Okay.
Just know that you're not under arrest.
I know I'm not under arrest.
Okay, so I'm just having trouble understanding why you think that we think that you're doing something wrong.
I never said that I thought I was doing something wrong. Then never once did I say that.
Why are you getting defensive?
I'm not being defensive at all.
Okay, so what's your last name?
I choose to stay silent. I don't need to give my information. I'm not a criminal. I have done nothing wrong.
I didn't say you were.
Okay. I have a constitutional right not to say anything. I was getting a driver. I'm third party. I have nothing involved in this.
Okay.
I'm freezing. And I would rather just finish up with whatever he's doing. If I need to walk away and walk, I'll walk. That's fine.
Okay. So
Are you looking for your
is
passport?
it something that you think that we're going to accuse you of doing something? I mean, is that why you're recording, and is that why you're...
No, I'm recording because I record any interactions with police.
Okay. All right. I mean, fair.
Where are you
We're
going
recording too.
I choose to say I'm not answering any questions.
Well, it's been off here tonight for you.
What was your name and badge number?
David Mullen, badge number 1562.
And yours?
Lucino, 2299.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. This just got bizarre.
I'm not-
Get her information.
That's fine.
I was talking to her.
I'm sorry, officer. I can speak to you. I have no problem having a conversation with you.
That's fine.
But I have a constitutional right, I believe, okay, as a citizen here in the United States, that I don't have to give my information unless I'm accused of or suspected of committing a crime.
Correct.
That's what I believe. I have no problem telling you what happened, and you guys can make your informed decision because I know you're trying to do your job. I'm not trying to be hassled, but I just believe in rights as same rights that I went at September 12th when I called my recruiter and I joined October 28th when I joined the military to uphold and defend the Constitution.
Good for you.
And that's the same oath that you guys took, and I respect that. You know what I mean? So that's all I'm saying. Do you understand where I'm coming from?
I do.
I appreciate that.
You don't have an actual physical copy of your insurance card in there? Maybe in your glove box?
We told him.
Oh,
This is what Geico is.
Geico.
Yeah, there's a lot of letters on here.
Sorry, bud. Shitty thing that happened. So I'm assuming you're going to choose to defend yourself in this situation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Being an attorney?
Yep.
And being an attorney, you can understand why I don't need to answer any of their freaking questions,
Well,
right?
I may understand, but
Yeah, I'll give you my information, and personally, we can speak if you need help.
here you go.
Got it?
I can call my clerk and let them know. Oh, yeah, absolutely.
All right, this is going to be for you want Geico. I'll read it to you.
Okay.
Geico policy number 453-162-4320. Expiration date 8/24. 2013 was. It is an Ultima versus Ultima.
It is.
Thanks, sir.
Oh, no problem. I'm glad you want to pull it up.
Yeah, absolutely. You guys want it?
Yeah.
If you guys want to send the vehicle, that way.
Is it okay if I stay in here and have a cigarette?
Absolutely.
All right, thanks. I'll get in when I'm done. I am actually freezing my butt off.
Got you both back here.
Wait, are you gonna write anything up? Or?
Yeah, and then I'll come walking up to
okay.
the car for you.
Sure.
Are you going to use the restroom?
Just take a tip. Oh, 872.
Go get him, Tiger. I don't know, man. I don't know. Personal injury attorney, Uber driver gets into a car accident. They try to get my information. Them, I'm not talking to them. I saw nothing. I didn't think we hit her. She's saying she's got damage on the side of her car. I don't even care to show it. This guy's car's all but then they let him go take a piss. That's awesome. These cops, even though like they were kind of pushy with me about getting my information after I talked to that one, as you saw, I think they kind of understand now. And the fact that they let this whole take a piss in this people's yard is that's kind of cool. Like, you gotta give them props for that, man. That's great. Oh, what are we doing? How about a cup of coffee? Everything important is done over a cup of coffee. I just finished mine. Sitting in the back of the Ubes. There we go. There he comes. Feel it better?
Yeah.
Good stuff. But just in case they try to get all rowdy with me, I think they're cool though. I think they're good.
Give me my phone, man. I don't think you did. Oh, I got it. Okay.
I'd close that door just to be safe.
Yeah, I would.
Put my cigarette in my pocket.
I don't know where what do you think she's gonna get out of here?
How about a cup of coffee? We should get a cup of coffee is what we should do. Everything important in life is done over a cup of coffee, ain't it?
By the way, I don't drink coffee.
What?
I don't.
Come on, Bob.
It doesn't make me a bad guy, by the way.
No, you're not a bad guy because you don't drink coffee. I just feel like everything important in life is done over a cup of
Well,
coffee.
maybe so.
Maybe a hot cup of tea. You drink tea?
Once in a while.
That's good.
I'm sorry.
The fact that those cops let you take a piss over there,
Yeah.
that was really cool of them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right. No, they're actually pretty cool.
I look at it like this. You're an attorney. Cops ask you questions you don't answer. I have nothing involved in this. I'm not driving this vehicle. If I was the passenger in here, I would say the exact same thing if I was with my friend. And I'd record the interaction. That's, I believe, what I should do. You know what I mean?
It sounds like you're hiding something.
I don't give a shit if it sounds like I'm hiding something. I have a constitutional right not to say anything. I have a Fourth Amendment right to travel secure in my person, places, and things. This isn't my person. You know what I mean? I don't have to give them my name unless I'm suspected of, accused of, or committing a crime. I haven't done anything.
Who's this person?
Being an attorney, I think wouldn't that be the first thing you should tell your clients?
Well, yeah, but I wouldn't. I don't see any reason not to cooperate.
It's not a sense of. I was very cooperative. I just said my name's John. Take my statement as John. I didn't hear anything. I didn't see you hit them. I don't think you did. I still don't.
Yeah.
But that's, if they need me later, I said I'll give you my personal information because I like you. I think you're a good guy.
Thank you.
But them, they don't need my personal information. They're public servants and they're doing their job. When I talked to him in the back, he understood. I said, you understand where I'm coming from.
Right.
I joined the military October 28th, 2001. After September 11th, I took an oath to uphold and defend the Constitution.
Right.
Same oath that you took, correct? He said yes.
I was in the National Guard.
Well, the same oath that he took as a police officer.
Not only the same oath. Remember, I took an oath as an attorney to uphold the law.
Yeah, and
I'm a licensed attorney.
Exactly. So my thing is this: that constitutional right to me is more important than me. If we give up our rights,
just so you know, I'm not bullshitting.
No, I don't think you're bullshitting.
There it is.
Why would I think? I don't think you're lying to me.
Here, it's a matter of
Just like I don't think anybody should think I have something to hide because I'm a person traveling and I don't want my name involved in any police reports.
Here. If you need me for anything.
Yeah, absolutely. You're a good guy.
Thank you.
Just tell your clients not to talk to the cops.
I know it. Oh,
tell me. You should have told them. He has nothing to do with this. This is between me and her, and I did nothing.
Well, I didn't. I don't. Then I'd be interfering with a police investigation, and
That's not an investigation. This isn't a criminal. This is a traffic.
No, I understand that, but I'm very sensitive about what
traffic matters. I understand. If there was criminal,
if I'm involved, and I do something like that, and then they just decide, well, we're gonna take care of you, my friend.
Yeah, well, that's a shitty thing. And being an attorney, you can see that.
But I know that. Believe me, my opinion of the police is very jaded for a reason.
Well, yeah, I could see.
Yeah, for a reason. I mean, I've dealt with them all my life.
So you're giving me every reason why I don't want to provide my information to them. You see what I'm saying?
Not a problem.
Yeah, that's why I feel like it's just a constitutional right to me.
I mean, this should have been handled. All right, if you have any damages, send me a bill, and here's my card, and send it to me. You're going to call what are you calling the police for? Because you think that somehow I'm not gonna evade the process.
So you're saying they shouldn't have even been here in the first place?
There's no injuries.
Okay.
At best it's property damage only, and the property damage is questionable.
Okay, and so they shouldn't even be here.
No.
So I shouldn't have anything to say to them.
Yeah, right.
Okay, they shouldn't be able to take my name.
That's part of that's procedurally what they do.
Procedurally, they can kiss my ass. Constitutionally, I have a right not to provide it.
I understand.
And then if they want to get nippy with me about that, they can arrest me for failure to ID, but that's a secondary charge. That's when I'm accused of committing a crime, and then I don't provide identity.
You're not accused of anything at this point.
So exactly my point. That's exactly my point on why I say you could call me John. If they would have been like, perfect, thank you.
If there is no nobody is, what they do is they check everybody's license to see if there are any outstanding warrants.
So then, okay, good for them.
Okay.
They ain't checking mine.
Yeah, me either. I mean, what do you think they're going to find for me?
No, I don't. What do you think they're going to find for me?
Nothing.
Well, and they're not. They don't need to.
The funniest thing is I've had accidents and I've represented people, and I said, by calling the police now, the fact that you had and the person who didn't cause the accident had an outstanding warrant for whatever. Okay.
Well, yeah, there's no need for me to provide. Even if that was the case, even if I had a warrant, why would they ask me for my name? I've done nothing wrong.
Right. Well, you're not a party. You're not a party of the transaction.
Yeah, you're
a possible witness.
I record every interaction that I have with a police officer.
Right.
I record it, and there's a reason for that. They can't say, "Oh, I saw him drop this bag of crack on the ground."
Yeah, right.
I've had friends that got accused of that and have gotten off because the cops in Schaumburg were crooked. And they lost 1,500 cases or something like that altogether. Like, it was insane. Or no, 150. I'm sorry.
You got to remember, I opened the 3rd district. That's where I practiced.
Well, I don't have to remember that because I didn't know that. But that's a feat, man. Congratulations. That's why I feel like being an attorney, wouldn't it be? I just thought it would be something that you would stress.
I didn't look. The problem is sometimes these guys like to go after us because
they could waste my time. My thing is this:
they're going after me for no reason, just because they're trying to make an example out of me.
Out of me, maybe because I didn't give them my name.
Not you, me.
And if that's the case, because you had an uncooperative passenger with them, why would the judge be like? Why would he need to cooperate? He didn't do anything.
Right.
He didn't need to give you their name. If you feel that this is a waste of my time, I feel it's a waste of my time. And I knew that by not giving my name, they would probably waste my time because you're driving me. You're an Uber driver. Uber's going to have to handle this however they handle it. And that's probably why.
They're going to leave it up to me to handle. I'm not leaving it up to Uber to handle.
Yeah, but what they're thinking is, oh, it's an Uber ride. He can sit on the side of the road and pick up another ride after he's done dropping him off. Maybe this guy's going to get late for work now. You take that risk. I don't care.
This encounter centers on the Fourth Amendment's requirement of reasonable articulable suspicion before identification can be compelled, alongside the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, which the passenger invoked repeatedly throughout the stop. The officer never established that the passenger was suspected of any crime, and by his own words confirmed the passenger was not accused of anything, meaning stop and identify authority was never legally triggered. Any driver or passenger present at a non-criminal traffic incident should understand that mere presence at the scene does not, by itself, create a legal obligation to identify oneself absent independent suspicion of criminal conduct.